Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have these. This is a fishnet hanging net thing. If I can explain it. Probably could show it better than I can explain it. So if you have like a kids or you just want to have something cool in your decoration or whatever, this is what you need. So let's show you what it is. Let's open it up. So here we go. See, we already have some shells even hanging from it already. So how do we open this up? Here we go. So I'm gonna open all this up and I'll put it on my kitchen just to show y'all what it looks like. So here we go. So here we have the fish net. So this side here is all tied up together, so you can put it on something. I don't know what I have here, but then I can drape it up. I can't really drape it on anything here. Nothing here has a hook. There we go. Onto my microwave. But you get the idea. So this is it here. It's got some of those hanging from it. It also comes with a whole bunch of little what are the clothespins. So if you wanted to, so if you had pictures and stuff, like I have pictures of my children when they were little kids, I could go and I could clip it on there and hang pictures from it. Or I could hang stuffed animals. I could hang anything I want. And also what it comes with is these. These are the little pins, little push pin things. And so this is like the newest style, I guess, of how they attach things to the walls, because they're like way less intrusive than putting a whole nail in the wall. But you get this little thing here with like the little 3 pins there, and then it'll just kind of, you put it in and hammer it in and it holds it up. So I guess that's the concept with these. I've never actually used them, but that's what these are supposedly for, to make it easier to hang up. So how cool is that? So it comes with a million of these. So you can just hang this up, hang lots of different pictures on it, make it look cool, and this will probably go into one of my kids' rooms, and it'll be sweet. So I'm gonna say thumbs up on this for sure. It looks really nice.